Welcome to Talking Design. I'm Brock Ray. Today we're talking about how working with a designer can help commercial real estate brokers to close more deals. With me today is Weld Ransom, Managing Partner of PlanForce Group. Weld, you've done a lot of work with brokers over the years, both on the tenant and the landlord side. Tell me about your overall role in the real estate leasing process.
In every real estate deal, there are competing forces. People all come to the table with their own agenda. Part of our role as designers is to listen to those different agendas and try and use our skills in arranging and creating space to help make that deal happen. The goal is to create a space where people can thrive, and that is a complex task that involves getting the right layout, the right types of space, and the right kind of space so that folks can do their work, feel good about it, feel purposeful about it, and yet all of that needs to happen in an economic environment, which is real estate, that allows that business to feel like it's thriving. Brokers are an absolutely essential part of the equation. They understand the real estate, they understand the finances, and they understand that design is part of that process. And a smart broker will use every resource they have, including PlanForce, to help them bring a real estate package together that works for that company.
I imagine there's a certain amount of risk for a broker who's introducing you to their client. They've got to trust that you're going to make them look good.
A good broker understands that the relationship they have with the firm, their client, the building owner, the landlord, and the management of that building is key to making a successful deal. Every time I walk into the room, I'll try to protect the relationships of all those different parties and help them come to agreement. The owner of the building likes our work, the tenant likes our work, the employee enjoys our space, the broker gets a deal that's closed.
I love it. Thank you, Weld. To learn more about how involving an architect early in the process can help your deal stay on track, visit planforcegroup.com/closing deals. This has been Talking Design. We'll see you next time.